Isuzu Giga Dump 6 WF110 wheelers. Looking for trucks? We are. We provide all quality and low prices guaranteed. Cash or bank financing. We have the widest selection of Japan surplus trucks available in stock. All parts are guaranteed original Japan and in good condition, as well as the quality. This unit is now available at a reasonable price and low down payment and financing with fast approval. Many more units to choose that suits to your business, so call now or visit our site to avail our mega discount. Features and specifications are as follows: reconditioned, fully upholstered, tilting cabin, detailing with registration and TPL insurance, tooled box, tools, hydraulic jack, EWD tire wrench with spare tire with seat belt, power steering, check engine, newly change oil, newly tune-up, newly calibrated injection pump, including fuel injector, transmission, including clutch lining, clutch disc, pressure plate, new gear oil, differential, including gear oil, repacking boogie pin, tie rod, leaf spring, shock absorber, good condition ball joint, new overhaul with good condition, brand new batteries, headlights, brake lights, back lights, side lights, tail lights, clearance lights, cabin lights, fog lights, check alternator, cigarette lighter, complete check of electrical wirings, panel gauge indicator are all working, including odometer, heat temperature, fuel gauge, oil gauge, starter, horn and back horn, front wipers, power windows, manual door locks, audio system, sun visor driver and passenger side, rear view mirror, color of your choice including two tones and stripes, logos and lettering, capacity and gross weight. Like, share and follow. Thank you.
When the night falls down, I wait for you and you come around, and the world's alive with the sound of kids on the street outside. When you walk into the